All right, so we're here talking with Hailey Dawn about Jesus Take the Wheel. We're gonna break the strumming pattern down and show you a couple of cool things. So show us go ahead and show us what you're doing.
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own.
All right, so I wanted her to show you first this little thing she's doing with this sort of. There's 3 ways you can move your second finger off and make it cool. So let's do that first.
So you can go on a D, and you always lift your second finger for this song at least. So you go, Jesus, Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, because I can't do this on my own. So you see, like, you're just lifting it and slamming it down, because you're not gonna, if you're doing it like this, nobody really hears that. You want to go slam it down like a hammer.
Yeah, slam it like a hammer. No, this hammer-on's basically this is a D2 to a regular D hammer. So you open up on your second finger and you hammer it down. So you have to practice that a little bit, but you can put that in your strumming pattern. And then on the A minor as well. And on the C, it's subtle, but she is doing it. So let's do that. Jesus, take the wheel.
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand, 'cause I can't do this on my own.
There he goes. So yeah, she's going on the D. On the A minor, she's doing it just a little bit. You don't have to do it on that one, but you can.
Oh, when we end the song, I do it too.
Oh, to end the song, yeah.
And then you'll just go. Oh, sorry. You'll just do a diamond.
Ending.
And it just adds something special.
Yeah, so practice those hammer-ons. If you have to really kind of work on hammering those on there, and it does take some practice. And then let's hear the strumming pattern I'm going to break down. She's doing a lot of syncopation, but I'm going to try to listen to the strumming pattern, because a lot of times people ask, what pattern do I use? Now, she's using some syncopation. I'm going to listen to her pattern one time, and I'm going to try to show you a simplified version of it, at least for this video.
I'll just play it.
She did that just very, very simply. I probably messed them all up because I'm doing. So you can. Underneath this pattern is a 16th note. Oh, that's underneath the whole pattern, right? Where are the accents? 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Is that where your accents are? Let me hear it one more time. I'm going to have her do her pattern, because that's 16th note rolling with accents on 2 and 4. What's that sound like? Good, and so she's doing really an accent like 1 and 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 2. So to do that, if you want to really simplify, you can do all downs on 8th notes. Jesus, take the wheel.
Take it from my hand, 'cause I can't do this on my own.
3 and 4. 2.
Give me one more chance, save me from this road I'm on.
So you can hear the foundation of that even with 8th notes down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And she's doing more of a 16th note and really accenting the 2, and then a little accented 16th note strum on the 3 and 4. So I'm gonna let you listen to her pattern one more time, and then I'll work on tabbing that out for you guys.
Do you want me to sing or just play it?
Yeah, you just play it one time. Yeah. All right, good. This is Hailey Dunn. Thanks, Hailey, for showing us that. And just check out more of her music in the description. You'll see her stuff there. All right.